My name is Jatin. Today we are going to draw a seashore area. A seashore is a part where ocean part is going to end. So we are going to draw it. Take your pencil kits. One slipping line. Going towards center point, and you have to make it slipping line within a center of the page. Now few wave line, slipping wave lines. This is the waves of the ocean, and here some sand dunes. Even also this is some sand dunes. Here some sand dunes are there. Here one coconut tree far away. One more coconut tree. Little bit at a midpoint. Make it dark at the center. Now we are going to fill a color. If you want to make a boat, yes, you can make it boat like this, a very small far away. A man sitting inside. Even also you can make it man on a seashore area by making circle, by making oval shape and standing and a few things he is carrying on a head. This is a man. Even also you can make a house far away, very far away, one house. Even also you can make it a close boat, fill it inside color. One man in the boat with a holding a fish. Here my drawing is ready. Now I am going to do a color. I want to show this as an evening sky. So I am going to take it red color first. I am taking red color. Very lightly I am filling inside. If it is going in a coconut tree, no problem. Now I am going to take it orange color to merge the sky. Here my orange color is going down a little bit. I am doing it in a light, very light manner. Now I am going to take it yellow color at downside. Here my yellow color. If you want to go upside, yes, you can fill it upside to show the evening. Now I am going to take it sky blue color for a water. Fill it lightly. First cover the border. Fill it lightly in a stroke form. You can go on till down. Here my water portion is ready. Now I am going to take it light brown color for the sand. First cover the border with a slipping portion. Now cover it lightly outside. Take it yellow color at a few point. Here my yellow color is done. You can merge it inside. Now I'm going to make it light brown color in my hut walls and red color on roof. Here is my red roof. Now I want to show a few grass, so I'm going to take it dark green color. Here a few dark green color is there, coming towards a beach portion. Now I'm going to take it light green color on the top to show the shades. Here my light green color is done. Now I'm going to make it a coconut tree. Take a dark green color and fill strokes inside. Fill stroke inside. Here your coconut tree is going to finish. Same thing on a smaller tree. Make it slowly because it is so far away and it is very small. Here our sun, which is found in red color. Here sun and few reflection in a water. Few orange color shades inside. And few yellow color inside, so we can found it reflection very perfectly. Here is our reflection, and here our seashore is ready.